So, for geometric optics, and there's well, some of the equipment's used for laser diffraction. So we're going to set that up. In the drawer at each station, we have a light source. So we're going to carefully take this out. Two hands, it's a lot easier. This one-handed video business kind of cracks me up. So here's our light source. On the front of the light source is a diffuser. Also in the drawer should be 4 holders for lenses. So we're going to take all these out. And what we should find in here is a 48 millimeter or thereabouts and a 127. The 127 is should be at every station. The other one might be 48 or a different number. Then we have our crossed arrow target and our scale, or a screen with a scale on it. So those things go back in here and the light source goes back in here. When putting away optics, I really appreciate a nice gently coiled loop, not too tight, and then bring this around once to kind of lock in the coil, okay, when you're putting this away. Down here in this bottom drawer, oops, I'm sorry, second to last drawer, we have the optics benches. And the optics benches go on the table with the meter side facing the students. And then we put the light source about like this. I hang it off at the end a little bit, so at the front of it's about 140 or so on this scale. About like that. Just like to let this sit gently behind there. And we put the screen at the far end. The 48, or the smaller lens, I just put off to the side, and the 127, and then the crossed arrow target, we put it at this end. So that's the setup for geometric optics. Now laser diffraction will actually use one of these holders. So we could just turn this around, and then a meter stick will be applied right here, and we just get the meter stick from underneath here. And then for laser diffraction, the lasers and the diffraction gratings are up in the front cabinet. But there's movies for laser diffraction. So let me turn this back around, and there we have the setup for geometric optics.